Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We're gonna celebrate today Aiden's birthday from last week.
Because last week, obviously, we were on holiday in Spain, and yeah, the rest of the family wants to see him also, of course, and congratulate him because he's
2 years old. Baby Aiden just slept. So now me and Bebe, we're gonna do a bit of decoration. And then I'm also gonna cook a bit. I'll show you a bit of cooking. It's not much dishes, just 3 dishes I will cook because we order lechon. Make sure you stay tuned and watch until the end of the video so you can see the whole thing. And yeah, so yeah, for now we're gonna stick some stuff in the bowl. Okay na yan. Kahit may konting design lang. Basta mairaos namin. So, ayan, diretso na ako kaagad sa kusina. Tatlong putahing lulutuin ko. Spaghetti. Gagamit ako ng 500 gram na meat para naman sa chop suey. Beans, cabbage, cauliflower, carrot, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, quail egg, fried chicken. Pa-fried chicken tayo. Bali, yan, minarinate ko muna yung chicken. So, ayan, lahat ng mga kailangan ko. Ang dami baby Aiden. Ito yung spaghetti sauce. Pinoy style, syempre. Super crispy Kentucky flour na gagamitin natin for chicken. Mamaya pag-fry, pasta, of course. Bali, una ko munang gagawin is ilalagay yung quail egg. Kailang naman yung mga quail egg na nabili ko. Basta meron. Lalagay nga rin pala ako ng hipon. Kasi nga, di ba, lechon na. Tapos, para balance siya. Kaya naisipan ko magluto ng gulay. Lagyan natin ito yung quail egg. Nakapagluto nga pala ako kanina ng nilagang baka. Ayan, lunch namin. Ito na muna siguro yung cauliflower. Kahit nag-Spain na kami for Aiden's birthday. Parang nakasanayan na kasi natin mga Pilipino na paghanda pa rin natin sila ng birthday. Tsaka get together na rin to with family kasi sobrang laging busy sa work. Napakasarap ng gulay. So, nag-decide ako na mag-order na lang ng lechon para hindi na maraming putahing lulutuin ko. Malaki-laki din itong cauliflower. I think ito na lahat yung sahog sa chop suey. Hindi ko alam kung may nakalimutan ako. I-comment nyo sa baba. Gaya tayo ng isang pirasong carrot. Natulog ko naman muna si baby Aiden para makapagluto ako ng maayos. Same lang siya ng hiwa ng carrot. Green bell pepper. So, ayan, hihiwain lang natin sa ganito kalalaki ang cabbage. Mukhang napakarami ng gulay, pero kapag naluto yan, konti lang yan. So, ayan, ready na ang ating gulay. So, I'm peeling the quail egg. Medyo challenging. Dahil I think na-overcook ko. Ayan, naglagay ako ng ice. Nakadalawa na tayo. Iba-blanch natin ng kaunti yung mga gulay bago natin i-stir fry. Baby Aiden is awake. Here. Ayan, pwede na rin itong green and red bell pepper. Tabi na natin. Lagay natin sa malamig na tubig. Same pan tayo. Hinugasan ko lang ng konti. Tapos maglalagay tayo ng konting mantika. Lalagay ko ng bawang. Tapos naman natin ilalagay ang sibuyas. Yan lang natin ito maluto ng 1 minute. Next naman natin ilalagay ang oyster sauce. So, magiging bali yung magiging pampalasa natin. Sunod na natin ilagay yung mga gulay. Una itong cauliflower, chicharo, carrot, green and red bell pepper, cabbage. Haluin lang natin ng maayos. Vegetable mix. Kagandahan lang sa pagbablanch ng gulay bago ka magluto ng chop suey. Yung luto ng gulay mo, pantay-pantay siya. Tapos, ayan, lalagyan na natin itong cornstarch na merong tubig. Haluin pa natin ng kaunti. Hipon. Taas yung hipon. Itlog ng pugo. So, ayan, okay na to. Alisin na natin siya dito para hindi siya ma-overcook. Spaghetti sauce. Lagay tayo ng mantika, bawang, sibuyas, mincemeat, nor cubes, konting asin and paminta. Ayan, okay na to. Lalagay na natin yung spaghetti sauce. Lagyan natin ng kaunting tubig. Lagay na natin yung carrots bago ko pa makalimutan. Condensed milk, pampabalance ng lasa. Basta cheese. Lagyan natin kalahati, tapos yung kalahati pang toppings natin mamaya. Haluin natin maayos. So, dito naman sa kabilang kawali, lutuin na natin yung chicken para isahan na Magpapainit na ako ng mantika. Naka-marinate na kanina pang umaga yung mga chicken. Ito yung minarinate ko. Tirinain ko na. Tapos ilagay natin sa flour. What's wrong? What happened? What happened? It's okay. What happened? It's okay. Mommy's cooking. Lagay na tayo sa mantika. 4. Smells so good in here. Smells like Jollibee. Bebe wants to try one already, so I'm gonna cook well one for him, and then that's it. I'm done. So it's chop suey. We have spaghetti sauce also. It's cooked, and then the fried chicken, and then pasta will be later. So yeah, that's all I cooked today, and lechon is coming. Alis ko na yung unang salang natin. So, ayan, tapos na yung chicken. Double fry pa ito mamaya. At ayan, lulutuin ko naman next yung lumpia na galing sa freezer. Hi, sis!
Hallo? Alles ay goed?
Si Ada, naglalaro ng mga gifts niya. What's that? Dinosaur! Wow! Aiden! Aiden! Wow! Aiden, cake! Wow! What's that?
Happy birthday! Apo, kiss mo na.
Wow!
Kisita.
Dito na sila, kapatid ko, my mom, Yuan, Maria, Chon. That's my ba, aunt, uncle.
Ik hoop dat hij gezond blijft en een leuke verjaardag heeft.
Message mo kay Aiden para makita niyo to in 18 years.
My
Birthday
gosh.
message, please.
Happy birthday, Aiden. You're my very first baby ever. Tita will do anything for you. I will drive you everywhere. I will buy you anything. I love you, Aiden. And if you grow up and you see this, I hope you're gonna be as smart as me.
Ang wish ko sa aking apo ay gabayan siya lagi ng Panginoon. Healthy, ha? And lumaking good boy. May respeto sa lahat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Aiden. Blow, blow, blow. That's not Papa, eh? It's not Papa, eh?
Wait, I thought it was edible.
No, don't eat it. Galing, alam na niya. Dati umiiyak yan.
Doggy cat.
Hindi na ako nakatapos. Gumawa ako ng bebe. Love, love. Dali na. Kasi yung binigay kong aso malaki.
Na.
This is the mine. I have one in the fridge.
Happy birthday, Aiden. Say happy birthday, Aiden.
Yum yum.
Papa.
Big boy. How is ya?
Next na yan. Mama,
Enjoy! Bon appetit! Enjoy, baby! Ay!
This is like
He loves the spaghetti.
Let time picture nyo.
I will take more spaghetti. Spaghetti is all sold
You want a
out.
different knife? Sorry, I'll give you the steak knife. No, it's okay. Give me the butter one if you want.
This is my start.
B, did you get lechon?
No.
Me too, lips na.
Mayin na lang.
Are you done?
Try natin lechon.
Video mo si galing mo.
Sarap.
Quick. Dan begin je direct even op je geven om natuurlijk zo snel mogelijk te kunnen slachten.
Oh, no, that's
Dan zijn er altijd
Spaghetti.
Sarap ng spaghetti. Ano talaga yan, anak, si
Ook
Chef?
als er bijvoorbeeld een
Ganyan
kleine
doen we
afwijking
met
is aan
condens.
bijvoorbeeld één oor,
Creamy
of ze
lalo,
bijten-
no?
of ze bijten die als die jong zijn een oor af, dan wordt dat een speelwerk. Dus maar die zijn heel jong. Hè. Want dan passen die niet meer in de normale fabrikage, alleen in de normale behandeling. Zoals als die bijvoorbeeld 200 kilo worden op zoveel weken, ja, dan past dat niet. Hè. Die zijn niet apart, dat ze dat niet alineerd als die jong zijn op en die gaan.
Can you give me a bite of each one?
En dan zullen die hier wel iets speciaal voor. Want dan zullen die veel kleiner worden.
You want to try the skin?
Ja.
And then you let Silvio, you know, like the vlogger, hey, you do, they do.
It's good up here.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, Aiden. How many times is this now?
No?
Okay, last one, yeah? Last one.
Last one.
Next
Laatste
one.
keer.
When
Laatste
you
keer.
Hurra!
Hurra!
Hip hip
Yay! Good
Siya na
job.
magbablo sa susunod ng mga cake. Kasi to me on the chat and then I can make for you.
Just mama.
Lekker?
Maria, ay, gagawin ko siya sa birthday niya.
Siema cake.
Yema cake. Yeah.
It's an American recipe.
No, Filipino recipe. Philippines.
So, ayan guys, nakakain na lahat ng cake. Kami naman dalawa nung kapatid ko. Actually, malaki to kanina, paubos na. Hinati namin. So, this is yama cake.
Yama cake. Tignan nyo. Yama yan.
Yan, oo.
Yan.
Sarap, yama cake. Cheers guys, cheers sis.
Nu is het raar, hè? Dat is meer,
Sarap.
die zijn meer in de winkel, hè? Niet in de lijst. Die zijn meer in de Aldi. hè?
Maharap siya guys.
I have a million dinosaurs in this phone.